The question remains and to be asked, does the court retain the elements of what has made it so great in the past? Will the court continue to be an indispensable institution in our democracy? I am confident that it will, if it avoids certain pitfalls. First, the court must find a way to solve the enormous backlog. Second, the court's strength lies in the principles of open justice, where the most persuasive argument ought to prevail, and the power of argument must prevail over the argument of power. This means that the judiciary must eschew excessive secrecy and embrace a more open way of being. Third, the court must find a way to ensure that polyvocality, 15 different courtrooms, do not become 15 independent courts. Stare decisis and judicial consistency are the embodiment of the rule of law. Fourth, the court must not forget that the primary quality of predecessor judges who are remembered in their courage to defy conventional wisdom, to follow the untrodden path, to do the right thing. Courage is contagious, but so is cowardice. Our Constitution and its own proud history both demand that the court always stand up for our values, our freedoms, and our hallowed democracy. Our Constitution is at once accessible and sublime. Its message is loud and clear in the heart of all patriots. When we look at the history of independent India as outsiders or historians, we note that when faced with difficult odds, the Constitution has found its unassuming champions, not in the least among the bar and on the bench of this august court. This Bible of ours instills in us the values that we need to cherish, the values of sovereignty, of protecting the security of the state, of ensuring that our freedoms are not trampled upon, as this republic, through its democratic processes, seeks to realize the aspirations of ordinary folk at the bottom of the ladder. While the republic has done human service to us in the past, we need to remain vigilant. This court must be the champion of our Constitution and bring to life the values of constitutional morality hidden within the cold print of the articles of the Constitution. These are interpreted by our great judges who truly understood, when confronted with challenges, the meaning of the constitutional values that permeate each article of the Constitution. These values need to be preserved, and we, the members of the bar and the judges, owe our allegiance to the rule of law, the upholding of which is our solemn responsibility.